Ross. Sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any female. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email.
Yo guys, it is a nice day today in Southwest Florida, and right now I am just at the Roblox here. I am currently getting some groceries here for my party, for my 2K party, which will be coming soon. We are almost at 2,000 subscribers, so I'm just here getting some groceries here. But yeah. So the party should be like maybe tomorrow or something, if we do hit 2,000 by tomorrow. But hopefully we can, and we'll probably have a 2K special party. But yeah, so here we go. I got all the groceries ready. Let me actually check out real quick over here. And then now let's head back over to my car, put the groceries in the back. And oh my goodness, why the heck did I bring my Agera to the grocery store? There's literally like no space to put groceries, but I mean, it's fine. I could have brought my Durango, but forgot about that car. I accidentally brought this car, and ooh, there's a black SUV there. I have no idea what they're doing there, and they're backing up. Kind of sketchy there. And oh dang, there's a lot of motorcycles here today. Dang, oh my goodness, and oh my goodness, there are a lot of bikers, and what the heck are they doing? They're surrounding my car. Oh my goodness, he's pointing a gun at me. Oh my goodness, there are like 10 guns getting pointed at me right now. Let me actually like surrender, because I'm not trying to get shot today. I am not trying to get shot today. Oh my goodness. Get in the SUV. Okay, I guess I have to walk over to the SUV. This is sketchy. Oh my goodness. Are there no cops anywhere? Oh my goodness. You know, I think I have to get in the back. I would get in the front though. Oh my goodness. Bruh, they just stole my Agera. Oh my goodness, my Agera is literally in the middle of the road. Abandoned. Where are they gonna take me? Oh my goodness. This is unbelievable. What the heck? Oh my goodness. To the mansions? Are they really about to kidnap me and put me into the mansions right now? Oh my goodness. They just left my Agera back there. They just left my Koenigsegg back there, abandoned in the middle of the road. $3.1 million car just left in the middle of the road. And look how many of them are there. Look at this. Oh my goodness, this guy is speeding up. Oh my goodness, they're literally doing wheelies and stuff. And oh my goodness, that guy just lost control. There's literally like a motorcycle takeover now. Look, they're literally doing wheelies in the middle of the road. Where are the cops? Oh my goodness. I guess the cops are like chilling today in their lobby or something, because there are no cops out today. Hopefully a cop comes and saves. They're literally driving on the wrong side of the road right now. Man's just crashed, and this guy just fell flat on his back from his motorcycle. Oh no, they're taking me to the mansions. Oh my goodness, this is unbelievable. Oh my goodness, that guy just fell straight into the bushes. Oh my goodness, no. They're taking me in. Do I have to get out? Okay, I have to get out. Oh my goodness, they're all coming. And they're pointing a gun at me again here. Okay, where are they taking me? They're taking me into the mansion right now. Okay, I guess I've had to follow him to the backyard. Ooh, this is a nice backyard. Sit. Okay. No, I had to sit in this red one. Oh my goodness, what are they doing to me? Wraps the chair. Oh my goodness, they just tied me to this sofa. What the heck? There's literally AK-47s getting pointed to my face right now. Oh my goodness. They have so many guns. I have like 10 guns pointed to my face right now. The mafia boss is here. Watch him. Oh my goodness. Look at this huge gun on top of my head. Give us the money. What money? He said give him the money. Oh my goodness, what is happening right now? Or else? All of it? Don't act like a girl. Oh, this guy just... Look at, there's literally a gun straight into my head right now. This gun is literally pointed straight into my hair. Or real brains. Okay, okay. I guess I have to give them the money. Oh my god, I have no idea what money they want, but I guess I'll just give them what I have. I do not want them to give this money. I've worked hard for this money. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Look at, oh, this is literally like crazy. Look at this, look how unbelievable this is. There's literally a gun pointing to my stomach. Oh my goodness. Are there any cops coming yet? Hold up, I'm going to free cam. I don't see any cops coming so far. Oh my goodness. Calls cops quietly. So hand it over or my brain is gone. Oh my goodness. Wait. Oh my goodness, they are wanting my money. Oh. And they're aiming it straight in my head. There's literally a gun in the front and the back of my head. There's literally so many guns pointing at my head right now. Oh my goodness. Wait, my money is in my car, so I guess I have to go to my car. My money is literally in my Koenigsegg in the middle of the road back there. There's literally like 1 million in there. We ain't gonna stay here all day. Pick him up. Give us the keys. Hold up. I'm gonna throw the key into the lake. Okay. There are some people in the front too. Look at that. They're literally guarding the house up here. Oh my goodness. There's literally so many guns pointed at my head right now. It's unbelievable. Cops? The cops are here? Where are they? I don't see them anywhere. Yo, the cops are here. Let's go. The cops are literally right over here. The cops have finally arrived. Yes, you guys, there are finally cops right here in the front. What is happening? What are they saying? Hold up. I gotta yell, bruh. Bro, this cop better get me, bruh. If he doesn't, I am doomed. Is the cop coming? Oh my god, where's the cop? Is the cop still in the... Did the cop really just leave? The heck is the cop? Did the cop just die? Oh my goodness. The cop is... You should go throw him in the lake. Bruh, I'm not about to go drown into the lake. Where's the cop? The cop literally died. I don't have my car anywhere here, so... I do not have my car here, so, so, like... I cannot escape. There's no... Look how many bikes there are. Where's the SUV? Let me get into the SUV. Oh, here it is. There we go. Where are the cops? The cop literally died. So I guess nobody's saving me today. Oh my goodness. Literally, the cop is not even here right now. And where are they taking me? They just hit a cone. Oh my goodness. Let me actually ask him where the cop went. Yo. Where the heck is the cop? He was literally right in front of the house. And now he's literally gone. He's legit gone right now. And I have no idea where he went. Oh, dead, he gone. Oh, I guess the cop died and I am doomed. They're literally taking me to like the apartments now or something. So like, but luckily they didn't get the money. I threw my key into the lake. But actually a downside for me. I lost my Koenigsegg. I literally just threw the keys of a $3.1 million car into the lake. I mean, at least I still have my Durango, and I did order a Ferrari coming soon. And a Lamborghini SVJ coming soon. I ordered it online. But bruh, where's the cop at? He's literally not even here. The bikers are literally back there. Where the heck is the cop? There my car is. My car is literally right there. And the cop is nowhere in sight. He's literally gone. The cop is nowhere to be seen. The cop is literally like, the cop died. He's nowhere else. Oh my goodness. Bruh, he literally just kicked out Mary. Bruh, literally just dropped her off in the middle of the road. She's about to get hit, but bruh, they're about to get hit with a bike. Yeah, well guys, I guess I'm dead now because the cop died and he failed the mission. We're literally in the bushes right now. So I guess I'm dead, guys. They're literally taking me to like in the middle of nowhere. So I guess that's gonna be it, guys. I literally lost my eyes. So I guess that's it for me, guys. That's gonna be it, guys. Goodbye.
Hey Ross, sauce it up. Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any females. Got a shorty blog, had a texting through the email. Walking right on top.